I'm gonna have to agree with Rachel in her video.
God, the wind is blowing the bitches.
As a fellow Long Beach resident, I can attest to how windy it is. In fact, I am standing on a downed tree, completely downed, here in Rose Park in the city of Long Beach again. I was just happened to be passing by and saw this and decided it would be an interesting quick little video, and the response to Miss Chronic Chronicles. Nice outfit, by the way. And yes, out in Long Beach there are lots of seagulls. Probably not too many out right now. I actually saw some birds flying around sideways earlier. It was pretty funny. So yeah, it is very windy today. I'm going to wrap this video up, and don't forget to subscribe to Network 126 and Miss Chronic Chronicles. I will be seeing you guys in future collaboration videos. Stay tuned.